I guess we received this professional quality ink cartridge of the Clorisun brand for event purposes, and I think they're really nice. They work for, well, different kinds of HP printers, like the ProJet 8020, the 8025, 8028, 8035 printers, and the OfficeJet 8010, 8015, 8080, and 8022. Okay, so they are perfect for if you have one of those printers you can print. And we've got yellow, cyan, magenta, and black. Obviously the black one being the biggest because it's the one that is used the most. In here we've got some information. This is how they come nicely packed with the instructions of how to put them into your printer, which is nice, so you're gonna, well, battle that much when you're gonna use them. They have a high page yield of printing, which is perfect when you want to print your, well, things from school, anything you want to print, that will be perfect for printing them. And they are a perfect replacement to the other kinds of ink, right? So you've got 3 options of colors: the yellow, cyan, and magenta, and obviously the most important, the black. So they're really nice, and I would really recommend them.